Terramaster USB-C RAID hard drive enclosure. Now this should help. So what I have here is what I am hoping will be the solution to my editing headache. I have a lot of footage since I've started this channel in 4K, and I'm looking to store it and edit from an external hard drive. This little machine should allow me to put 2 hard drives in, run in RAID 0, and hopefully achieve some high-speed data transfer rates or just be able to edit from it. I have my backups elsewhere, online and off-site. This purely is going to be a video editing hard drive. I don't know a lot about Terramaster, but I have heard some good things. Over the last few years, they seem to be making a name for themselves, producing high-quality products, and I'm expecting no less from this. So, using USB-C 3.1, Gen 1, but up to 5 GB data transfer rate. So this is the D2-310, and this one can hold up to 24 terabytes of storage, or 2 12 terabyte hard drives. I have purchased, along with this, 2 WD Red Pro hard drives. They're both 4 terabytes, which should give me an 8 terabyte storage solution. Now, a lot of users are saying they're getting close to 400 megabytes per second, even with an external SSD drive. I'm not getting those speeds. I don't think I'm going to get quite that, but I am hopeful. We shall see what I can get. So this is a DAS, not a NAS drive, so it's a direct attached storage. It's nothing to do with a NAS drive, but it is supported by Windows and Mac. Let's get this open, show you what you get in the box, get it set up, give you my first impressions, and hopefully give you some speeds that you can look to achieve if you do get one yourself. So, opening it straight up. Packaging is quite impressive for the price that I paid. I'm quite impressed actually. It comes with 2 little screwdrivers and all the fixings that you should need. Now, the unit itself. Quite a tiny little unit actually. It's quite a nice size to it. Quite neat, quite nice, and that should actually look quite nice on the desk. I was thinking of just hiding it out of the way, but I may end up just keeping it on the desk because it's quite a smart little thing. And here we have the unit. So, pretty straightforward. A nice sort of aluminium type build. So that's quite good. It's using it as a single drive, a independent large mode, or obviously RAID 1 and RAID 0. Should really be as simple as that. Just to give you a quick overview of the unit. So that's the 2 bays for the drives there. Power button, and then you've obviously got little lights letting you know what activity you're getting from hard drive 1 and hard drive 2. Pretty straightforward, and a fan on the back. I've already noticed on some of the reviews that there is no way of turning the fan off. So even when your computer's off, the fan does not power down. It's not overly noisy, but it's always on. Worth noting. So I'll pull this up, and telling me from there, you just pull that, slide that out, and again for that one as well. Very easy to install. Again, I bought 2 4 terabyte ones, which would give me an 8 terabyte amount of storage, which is a little bit more than what I'm using at the moment. And again, this will be just for video editing. So you place the hard drive into the tray. It comes with the screws needed. You can just line those screws up. You can probably see just on the overhead camera there. I'll get all these screwed in. I'll get the hard drives installed, and then we can have a look and see exactly what this looks like. I'll show you. Here is drive 1. Extra drive, and again that clicks in lovely. A little bit heavier now that it's got the hard drives in, but quite a nice compact unit. Quite sleek, quite happy with the way it looks. Let's get this set up. I'm going to get it installed and report back with my findings. Fingers crossed I get the speed I want, and hopefully this is a product I can recommend. It's fast, it is fast. I've had this about a week now, and I've been getting read speeds of about 340 megabytes per second, which is great and especially good for any editing I want to do. 4K editing, it just goes through it nice and easy, scrubs great, looks perfect. I'm even getting write speeds of about 280 megabytes per second. It sometimes peaks at about 300, which is super fast. It's as fast as any of my memory cards are, so it transfers to the hard drive really quickly. It's exactly what I wanted. Solved the issue I've got. This is a fantastic enclosure for just sticking 2 large hard drives in, storing as much 4K footage as it can handle. You can edit straight from it. It's great, it solves a problem. It is my new editing hard drive, so to speak. I will be using this for the foreseeable future. It does exactly what I wanted. I highly recommend it. I've only had it for a week now, but I will do a long-term review where I'm going to go back over everything that I've reviewed that's popular over the last 12 months and give you an update at the end of the year as to how it's been. But for now, love it. It's a thumbs up from me. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and review, and I will catch you in the next one.